Welcome back to the channel. We all know the struggle when your frame rates nosedive in the middle of a heated battle. You're trying to clutch that victory, land that epic headshot, and bam! Lag spikes and stuttering. You want that buttery smooth, ultra-responsive gaming experience, but you don't want to have to sell a kidney to get it. And you know what? You absolutely shouldn't have to. That's what we're diving into today. We're talking about budget-friendly gadgets and tweaks that can give your FPS a serious boost without obliterating your bank account. We're gonna break down the gear, the settings, and all the little tricks that'll have you gaming at your absolute best. So buckle up, grab your energy drinks, and get ready to transform your gaming experience without breaking the bank. Let's do this. Alright, first up, let's talk monitors, specifically the Acer XFA 240. This thing is an absolute steal for the performance you get. I'm talking 144 Hz refresh rate and a ridiculously fast 1 ms response time. For you non-techie folks, that means say goodbye to motion blur and hello to crystal clear action. This bad boy is rocking both NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync compatibility. Translation, no more screen tearing. You get that buttery smooth gameplay and you know what? It's glorious. The Acer XFA 240 comes in at a price that's actually reasonable. So, if you're looking for a serious upgrade without having to take out a second mortgage, this monitor is a no-brainer. Next up we have another contender in the budget monitor arena, the AOC 24G2. This monitor is packing some serious heat with a 165 Hz refresh rate. That's right, 165 Hz. You'll be seeing frames your enemies didn't even know existed. And of course, we can't forget about that sweet 1 ms response time. No motion blur here, folks. Just pure, unadulterated gaming bliss. The AOC 24G2 uses IPS technology. If you're not familiar with IPS, it means you're getting stunning color accuracy and vibrancy. We're talking rich, deep blacks and vibrant colors that'll make your games pop. And the best part? You get those amazing visuals without sacrificing speed. Oh, and did I mention it supports FreeSync? Yep, that's right. The AOC 24G2 is proof that you don't have to break the bank to get a high-performance gaming monitor. It's the perfect upgrade for anyone looking to take their gaming to the next level without spending a fortune. Let's talk keyboards. Specifically, the Redragon K552. This thing is a beast of a mechanical keyboard, and it won't break the bank. The Redragon K552 is here to change the game. This keyboard is rocking those satisfying mechanical switches that we all know and love. You know that clicky, tactile feedback that makes you feel like a typing ninja? Yeah, this keyboard's got it in spades. And trust me, once you go mechanical, you'll never want to go back to those mushy membrane keyboards ever again. Mechanical switches are also known for their responsiveness. You press a key, the signal gets sent instantly, and your character reacts in-game. No more laggy inputs holding you back. The Redragon K552 also comes with anti-ghosting technology, so you can mash those keys as hard as you want, and every single input will be registered. And let's not forget about the RGB backlighting. The Redragon K552 lets you customize the lighting to your heart's content, so you can create the perfect gaming aesthetic. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard that'll give you a competitive edge, the Redragon K552 is definitely worth checking out. Let's talk mice, because you can't very well be a pro gamer with a clunky old office mouse, can you? The Logitech G203 LightSync is here to elevate your game without emptying your wallet. This thing is a budget gaming mouse that punches way above its weight class. We're talking an impressive 8000 DPI optical sensor that tracks your every movement with pinpoint accuracy. Whether you're lining up that perfect headshot or navigating a complex strategy game, this mouse will keep up with you every step of the way. And the best part, it's incredibly responsive. You move the mouse, the cursor follows instantly. No lag, no acceleration, just pure, unadulterated precision. The Logitech G203 LightSync is also incredibly comfortable to use. It's got that classic ergonomic design that Logitech is known for, so you can game for hours on end without your hand cramping up. And of course, we can't forget about the LightSync RGB lighting. Customize the lighting to your liking and add a touch of personality to your gaming setup. The Logitech G203 LightSync is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a high-quality gaming mouse. For all you budget-conscious gamers out there, let me introduce you to your new best friend, the Redragon M601 gaming mouse. This thing is an absolute steal for the features it packs. We're talking a DPI of up to 3,200, which might not sound as impressive as 8,000, but trust me, it's more than enough for most gamers. you'll still get that smooth, precise tracking that's essential for nailing those headshots and pulling off those clutch moves. This mouse comes with programmable buttons that you can assign to your liking. Want to set a dedicated button for your most used weapon or ability? Go for it! Want to create macros to automate complex actions? This mouse has got you covered. The power is in your hands literally. The Redragon M601 is ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand, even during those marathon gaming sessions. No more cramped hands or aching wrists. The Redragon M601 is a testament to the fact that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a great gaming mouse. It's comfortable, customizable, and it performs like a champ. Laptop gamers, this one's for you. If you're tired of your laptop sounding like a jet engine and feeling like a frying pan during those intense gaming sessions, then listen up. The Cooler Master Notepal X3 is here to save the day. This laptop cooling pad is an absolute game changer. We're talking a massive 200 mm fan that sucks in cool air and blasts it towards the bottom of your laptop, keeping those temperatures in check. No more thermal throttling, no more performance drops, just pure, unadulterated gaming power. And the best part? It's whisper quiet. You'll be able to actually hear your game audio instead of the roar of your laptop fan. The Cooler Master Notepal X3 is also incredibly comfortable to use. It's got an ergonomic design with adjustable height settings, so you can find the perfect angle for your wrists. The Cooler Master Notepal X3 is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune to keep your laptop cool and comfortable during those marathon gaming sessions. Let's talk about another contender in the laptop cooling pad arena, the Thermaltake Massive 20 RGB. This thing is an absolute beast, and it's here to keep your laptop running cool and looking cool at the same time. We're talking a gigantic 200 mm fan that provides an insane amount of airflow, ensuring that your laptop stays cool even during the most demanding games. And the best part? It's incredibly quiet. The Thermaltake Massive 20 RGB also comes with RGB lighting. Customize the lighting to your liking and add a touch of personality to your gaming setup. The Thermaltake Massive 20 RGB is also incredibly comfortable to use. It's got an adjustable stand that allows you to find the perfect angle for your wrists, so you can game for hours on end without discomfort. Now, for a tip that doesn't require you to buy anything at all. Lowering your in-game graphics settings can make a world of difference when it comes to boosting your FPS. Think of it like this. Your computer is like a car engine, and the graphics settings are like the load you're putting on that engine. The higher the graphics settings, the harder your computer has to work to render those beautiful visuals. By lowering the graphics settings, you're essentially lightening the load on your computer, allowing it to focus its processing power on what really matters. Frame rate. I'm not saying you need to turn your game into a pixelated mess. Even making small adjustments to settings like shadows, texture quality, and anti-aliasing can have a significant impact on your FPS. Experiment with different settings and find the sweet spot where your game still looks good but runs smoothly. Let's talk about those sneaky little FPS killers that are lurking in the background of your computer background applications. You know, those programs that you have running but don't necessarily need open while you're gaming. They might seem harmless, but trust me, they can have a significant impact on your gaming performance. Your computer's resources are like a pie, and every application that's running is taking a slice of that pie. The more applications that are running, the smaller the slices get, and the less resources your game has to work with. So before you fire up your favorite game, take a moment to close any unnecessary background applications. You can even use tools like Game Mode on Windows or Razer Cortex to optimize your computer for gaming by shutting down unnecessary background processes. And there you have it. Cheap gadgets and tips that will boost your FPS instantly without draining your wallet. From upgrading your monitor to unleashing the power of a gaming mouse and keeping your laptop cool with a cooling pad, these simple upgrades can make a world of difference in your gaming experience. Remember, you don't have to break the bank to game like a pro. With a few smart choices and some tweaking here and there, you can transform your gaming setup and unleash your full potential. Don't let lag or frame drops hold you back. Get these gadgets, implement these tips, and get ready to game at your best. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tips and tech hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.